I walked into Bible college my first year with no identity. The only identity I had was the one that I put on myself and allowed others to put on me. Names, lifestyle. I just took everything I was going through and was like, this is who I am. So coming to Bible college, especially that first year, it was a whole year of just being stripped of who I thought I was to who I was created to be and who the Lord said I was. That first class, like I mentioned, was Redemptive Realities. And you kind of have an idea of what it's gonna be just because of what it's called, but you're also not ready to get slapped in the face like the first week. And I wasn't ready for that. I wasn't ready to cry. I wasn't ready to deal with stuff. I'm like, this is my first week. It's gonna be a breeze. Yeah, no, the Lord got to work quick. But to see bitterness be broken off, anger be broken off, sickness be broken off, an eating disorder being broken off, an addiction to pornography being broken off, that wouldn't have happened if I didn't know who I was in Jesus. The Lauren in 2019, she was just empty. And that emptiness kept her in a very dark place. But the Lauren now, full of joy, peace. There's a grit about her and a fire in her to see people come to know Jesus and experience what I've experienced. Because life outside that, I would never take that life back. It's like the scripture about being brought back to that first love. It was like, oh, I'm home. Not just home where I'm surrounded by a community, a family that I can be encouraged by and lifted up by. I was back with him. So, yeah, 100% hope was restored. If you don't know Jesus and you want to know him, 100% I hope you're saved and go to Life Bible College, because that is exactly where you should be, to know exactly who you are and who you were created and destined to be. And you get out of Bible college going, let's do this. Let's see the world change.